Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to turn off Find My on your iPhone or iPad. On some occasions, like when restoring an iPhone backup from iTunes, you'll be first asked to disable the Find My feature on your iPhone. Recently, some users have reported that they are not able to turn off Find My on their iPhone as the toggle is grayed out. If you have also faced this very problem, this guide is for you. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, you will need to disable the Stolen Device Protection feature. For those unaware, Stolen Device Protection is designed to work as an extra layer of shield for your iPhone in the event that your device is stolen and someone knows your passcode. Even if someone knows the passcode of your iPhone, they won't be able to access sensitive settings such as the lost mode, iCloud keychain, and more, as they are safeguarded by Face ID and Touch ID. That means when the stolen device protection is active on your iPhone, you won't be allowed to disable the Find My feature. Therefore, you will need to first disable this security feature. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and choose Face ID or Touch ID and passcode. Then enter the passcode of your device to proceed. Next, scroll down to choose Stolen Device Protection and then turn it off. Once you have successfully disabled the Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone, open the Settings app. Now tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. Then choose Find My. After that, select Find My iPhone or iPad. And finally, turn off the toggle next to Find My iPhone or iPad. When prompted, make sure to enter the Apple ID password to confirm the action. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.